Mailerlite tutorial for beginners, how to use Mailerlite for email marketing. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Mailerlite for email marketing, how you can simply go ahead and create professional email marketing campaigns using Mailerlite, add integrations, add do automation, and we also get a lot of other options. So to get started with Mailerlite, what you have to do is you will simply go to Mailerlite.com and you will get to this platform right here. With Mailerlite, we get a lot of different products such as email marketing, automation, newsletter editors, website builder, landing pages, email verifier, and also digital products, e-commerce, paid newsletter subscription. Today, we will be focusing that how you can actually go ahead and create an email marketing campaign. So we will need to simply sign up. Click on the sign up button right here, and it will allow you to get your brand new Mailerlite. You can get a 30-day free trial, and you can see right here we have to add a company name. So we simply have to enter a company name, and then we have to enter our name, email address, and password. Simply click on create my account and your brand new account will be created on Mailerlite. So you can see right here we have our Mailerlite dashboard. So this is our basic dashboard that we will be getting on Mailerlite. Then we have the campaign option right here. So in campaigns, we can create email marketing campaigns. This is where we will be working. Then we have subscribers where I can actually add all of my subscribers, and Mailerlite will actually help me improve and increase my subscriber list. Then we have the forms option where I will be able to create different forms. Then we have site where we can create our own site, landing page, and of course we have automation and integrations. Let's go to campaigns right here. Once you go to campaigns right here, and once you sign up, you will actually have to complete your profile first, and once you do that, then you will be able to get all of the options here as well. You can see we have create campaign option, create form, create site, and create automation. Simply click on create campaign. It will allow you to create a newsletter for your email marketing. Now what we have to do is simply enter our campaign name. Let's call it test. Then we have to select what type of campaign we want to create. On Mailerlite, we get the regular campaign that we can create. And then we have A/B split campaigns, we have RSS campaigns, and also auto resend. I'm going to go ahead and create a regular campaign. Simply click on save and continue. Now you can see we have subject name, and so you will simply enter the subject for your email marketing campaign. Let's say that I want to know people that I have created a new YouTube channel. So I will simply type in here new YouTube channel. This is going to be the subject for my campaign. Then we have who is it from. We have our sender name right here, our company name, and then we also have our email address. We also get the tracking options right here, and we can choose which metrics we would like to track this campaign with. If we want to use UTM or track opens, then we also can select the language. So I'm just going to go ahead with English. Simply click on next and it will take you to the main editor where we simply edit our email. And this is where I will be able to add the content. So we can start from the scratch or we can go to a template gallery that is available on Mailerlite. You can see right here we get a lot of cool email templates right here, and we can search from them and we can select. It really helps us to kind of like work with a professional template. Now what I'm gonna do is I will simply go ahead and this one. Let's go ahead and choose this template. Keep in mind that we can customize it, so it doesn't matter what type of template you went with. You can just customize it the way you want to. So this is our main editor, and in here I can simply go ahead and edit all of the boxes that we have. This is a pretty simple looking template that we got. Now, the first thing is going to be, of course, editing the logo. So what you can do is you can edit the image and you can add your logo right here. You will upload it in the media. You can see we can click on upload image and it will open up your computer for you, and you can simply select any the logo that you have from here. So it will be uploaded and then you can add it to your email right here. After that, you can see we have this image right here. So this is actually a pretty big image. I don't want that, so we can just simply go ahead and delete this section. We can add different blocks from here. You can see all blocks. We can add a header, RSS, content, features, gallery, buttons, special, survey and quiz, and we also have our footer right here. So you can go to header and you can select from different header options that we get, and it will allow you to add them right here. Similarly, I can go to content, and in content, I can add a title, a subtitle, text, textbook. We can add our articles to our right here to our email. So you can see we have image options. So I can just simply click on this edit button and it will allow me to add different images and I can edit them out. Then I can simply scroll down to buttons. You can customize a button as well. You can see this is the content. The button says see all leather bags. Well, I want my button to say click here. There you go. And we can also go ahead and add the link. So I will add the link for my YouTube channel here. Click on save. Similarly, I will click on edit and edit the text, of course. I will add the information about my YouTube channel. Click on save and it will be saved right here. Similarly, I can scroll down and I can actually, it has a lot of buttons. So I'm just going to delete, these buttons. They are extra. This image, I don't want it. I will simply click on delete and I will go to contents right here and search for content. In content, I will be able to hopefully find video option. There you go, highlight video. Simply drag and add the content where you want it to be. There you go. And now I will simply add a video here. Then I can also get rid of this button right here. Click on delete. There you go. And then we have this right here. Let's click on delete. This is the footer and you can see the footer has socials. Simply click on edit and you will be able to edit the details. This detail is added from our customization that we did earlier for our account. We can also go ahead and add the social links. If you want to add a divider or if you want to add anything, for example, RSS feed, simply click right here, drag and drop right here into your email. So it's a simple drag and drop. You don't have to do anything. It's not complicated at all. Very easy to use. Once you select a block from here, all these settings appear here and you can get a live preview what's happening. Once you're done, what you can do is you can preview this right here and then you can click on done editing. Once the editing is done, of course, you will add your pictures, videos, text, whatever you want to. And the next step is going to be the recipients. What you have to do is simply select your recipients from here. You can also import list. You can see this option. You can import or export list. You can add different lists here. Then click on next and it will give you a review about your campaign that you're creating. You have the subject, you have the content, you have the recipients. Once you're okay with all the details, what you have to do is simply schedule the email or click on send and your email will be sent to your subscribers, to your list from Mailerlite. So it's a very easy to use platform and allows you to create professional email marketing campaigns, saves a lot of time and helps you get more productive, get more subscribers and traffic with your professional email marketing campaigns. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to use Mailerlite for an email marketing campaign. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.